just a little 10. Just in case, you know, a little one and a big one. Drain plug, 17. Don't have the OE one, so I'm gonna use the K&N. It's still good, you know. Buttermilk up. There you go. Put these in there. Oh, there it is, cool. Alright, this out. And then there's a drain plug. I honestly don't know where it is. Oh, it's right there. Cool. Cool. Smooth. I don't think it's leaking, is it? Oh, I think it's leaking. Am I leaking? I think it's leaking, bro. Anyways, let me get this real quick. Anyways, yeah. Oh, fucking. Right there is the oil filter. Sorry, the lighting. Give me that shit. Drain plug right there. Oh, the lighting's so bad. Hold on, give me a second, guys. There you go. Cool. Yeah, oil filter right there. So you can tell it's a black one, so I don't know if that's OEM. Let her check it out. Alright. So that's the drain plug. Now this bitch is still hot. So gotta do some bitch quick. That's on the fucking floor. So, as you can see, damn, that shit is pretty fucking black. But yeah, it's the filter. Got the drain plug on. See that? Oh, shit. It's a little bitch. Oh, she just pooped all over my hand. It does look like a OE fucking filter. Definitely gonna get this one next. Just got the, what's it called? K&N. Since how to do the oil change, it just came up, you know, this one. But yeah, for the drain plug, 17. These drain plugs on there. Give me 1 second. I can't see shit. So you guys gonna have to bear with me. Bear with me. Cool. Oops. Anyways. I won't tighten it too hard for next time. sure there's no oil leak. Yep, no oil leaking. Cool. Definitely gonna need a washer though. As you can see, there's no washer. Just so it won't leak, you know, for future. Cool. So I'm gonna put the K&N filter on. Can I what? Coffee, whatever. Just put it around the rim. Lubrication. Lubrication. Obviously, don't dunk the bitch in there. Anyways, see how shiny? So it'll stick on. Put the camera on real quick. Alright, cool. I'm only hand signing it because it was a bitch to take off. I fucking hate taking off filters. Even if they have this shit, you know. But that's not white anymore because my hands, but I got like OCD. Alright, cool. Should be good. Solid. Oh yeah, and then this bolt was in this plastic with oil. It's pretty funny, I guess. So make sure all of them are cool. Alright guys, my Lancer Evolution GSR. Damn, my camera is probably filled with oil. Yeah, anyways. It's Revolution 2011 GSR. How to use my old sway bar. But yeah, how to do it because the routine maintenance thing kept coming on. So there she is. Yeah, what's up guys? I forgot to show you once you did your oil change, if you do, you get your like routine maintenance required thing. I know there's videos on YouTube. I seen one, but this dude did it like stupid where like you had to switch your settings to Japan, Euro, and all that bullshit. But this is basic right here, so you don't have to go through all that and fuck with your safety settings or your reminders. Push the info button once. Look for this. You hold it down and it'll blink. Once it starts blinking, you push it again and then it'll clear. But what you want to do is turn it on after to make sure it actually went away. You know, turn on your ignition. Mine went off. I'm not going to do it because I already did it. But yeah, pretty basic, man.